Is it too late to start a YouTube channel at 50, 60, or even 70? I'm going to give you the shortest answer I can. Hell no. It's never too late. In fact, for a lot of you watching this right now, this is the perfect time. And here's why most people think it's too late. They open the app, they see some 22-year-old with perfect teeth and a $10,000 camera rig screaming about crypto or doing prank videos, and they think, well, that's YouTube. I missed the boat on that one. But that's not YouTube, man. That's noise. The part of YouTube that actually prints money right now, the part that's quietly paying mortgages, funding retirements, and letting regular people quit jobs that they hate, is being built by people exactly like you. I started my first real personal channel about 3 months ago at the age of 58 with zero audience, and I'm close to being monetized, building a substantial email list and developing products that will launch in a few months. No viral videos, no dancing, no extravagant budget, just consistent, useful content for people who look, sound, and think a lot like me. And I'm not special. I know people who started at 61, 67, 72. Hell, one woman I know in the community was a former school teacher, 68 years old, hit 100,000 subscribers in 18 months, just teaching simple gardening tips. And she now makes more in a month than she made in a year of teaching. Another guy, 59, ex-corporate dude, started posting 5-minute videos about fly fishing for beginners. 12 months later, he sold the channel for mid-six figures and got to keep his email list. So age isn't the problem. The problem is believing the lie that you need to be young, loud, or lucky. What you actually need is credibility. And you've got 30, 40, 50 years sometimes of real life packed into your brain. That's unfair advantage, man. The kids can't touch that. And the algorithm doesn't care how old you are. It cares how long people watch your stuff, how often they come back, and whether or not they trust you enough to click your links. And guess who people trust the most right now? Someone who looks like their smart friend, their accountant, their golf buddy. Not a TikTok kid with a bunch of face tattoos. I got nothing against the kids that want to do that, man. If that's your thing, then have at it. But if you're sitting there thinking, yeah, but I'm too old to figure out the tech, you are wrong. I have clients who are banging out videos on a 10-year-old laptop with a $50 mic. You can do it. If you're thinking, I don't have anything to say, well, you've lived half a century in some cases. You've got stories, mistakes, wins, wisdom. Most 25-year-olds, 22-year-olds, they couldn't dream that up. And if you're thinking, well, I don't want to be famous, well, good. You don't have to. You just have to be useful to a couple thousand people who are very happy to pay you for it. Is it too late? Only if you decide it is. I'm living proof of that. A lot of my students are living proof it's not. The only question left is how much longer are you going to let a number on your driver's license decide what's possible for the rest of your life? The camera is waiting, man. The audience is waiting. And honestly, they'd rather learn it from you than some kid who wasn't even born when you were already building a life. So go ahead, hit record, and I'll see you in the comments after you upload your first video. And if you want to get started very quickly, check out the link in the description. The Creator Kickstart Kit will get you started so quickly, like in a couple hours. Free download, absolutely free. Hit me up today, and I'll catch you next time.